everyone. Um, I decided on two dishes because I feel that we are not only people that eat Western food, and we are also people that eat Asian food. And I want to show you the dexterity of Kingsway products. I decided to make a fabada, which is basically a dish, a Spanish dish that is a favorite among Filipinos. Plus, it is also a classic in Asturian cooking. I also decided to make a Vietnamese banh mi for just to show you how the dexterity of all these products from Kingsway can come into your kitchen and come to your table. Well, you saw me sharpening my knives. This is very important for me because pansin ng kabuhayan ko to. Bili naman kayo ng kutsilyo ko. Tsaka yung mga libro ko, bibili akong BMW. Well, anyway, these are my knives from Mass Flex Kitchen Pro. Took 3 years to launch this knife. This is the knife for Filipino cocineros. That's why I'm so adamant about promoting this. Kasi hindi na kailangan bumili ng mga German na napakamahal or mga Japanese na kutsilyo. Ito yun, panlaspagan. Nagkaroon ako ng kutsilyong maliit. May nakaw sa kitchen. Ang guest chef ako. Gumanti na lang ako. Okay, so we're going to do the fabada Asturiana, and this is so easy. This is so very easy. Gigisa lang natin lahat. Okay? These are the beans. They have been simmering slowly, and dahil uso ngayon ang sous vide, di ba? Pwede mo sous vide.
Sous vide.
In the mouth, goodness. Pero,
ano yun, may aparato yun. Parang nilalabot na walang masyado.
Just cook it very slowly. Soak it first, of course. Soak the beef. So that the water inside conducts on the temperature of your water. And you'll have one of the most fabulous, buttery, look at this. See how tender. Okay? Fabulously buttery beans that you can have, and we simmered this for a long time, and now we're going to be using, okay, I like the Canadian bacon, nice and smoky, so I cut it up into pieces. Then Kingsway has some pork sausage, okay, very typical of what the Spanish use, okay, and they have a chorizo. Here is the chorizo. Of course, because it's a limited, this is optional, it's a limited crowd, but many people who want an authentic fabada, I make this, blood sausage, morcillas. But you don't really need to, especially if there are certain religious prohibitions. You can just use the pork sausage and the chorizo. Then, you have to use an excellent Asturian, this is from Asturias, you have to use an authentic Asturian paprika. Okay? The other paprikas that are pretty good to use are also the Murcian paprika. Okay? We're not going to do a demo na what do you call this? Na showbiz. Ito kakainin mo. Lalagay mo dun. Ito kakainin mo. So, hindi na natin i-showbiz to. Okay. So the beans with the water, what we do is we first get some extra virgin olive oil. For special people, let's use the best. Let's use extra virgin olive oil. Actually, this is not the best. I don't like extra virgin. I like experience. Okay, so we get our garlic. If you can actually smell the garlic, you know, it's slightly toasty. We're not going to get it brown, okay? The Malays and the Pinoys, they like to brown the garlic. Okay? In this case, all you need to do is get it nice and golden. Hindi kailangan talagang i-toast, no? Okay, so there we go, and we are going to, in about a few seconds, we are going to toast it. We are going to sweat the bacon. Okay, you can use, you know, this is a nice, this is nice after New Year, after Christmas. This is nice because you can cut up your ham and still create a really nice restaurant quality dish. Okay, and it makes use of the leftover ham or bacon. Okay, we sweat this out. Okay. So, ito na yun. Then we get the pork sausage. Okay. Normally, this is labeled sa Kingsway na parang English pork sausage, but it has several uses.